Welcome to day 27 of our 365-day challenge. Today we are going to master the most common and important conjunction words. Watch till the end and test your knowledge with the quiz. Without any delay, let's get started. Although contrasts two ideas, but both can be true. Meaning, despite the fact that, even though. Example: although it was raining, they went for a walk. Even though stronger than although emphasizes the contrast more. Meaning, despite the fact that, used when the contrast is more surprising. Example: even though she was tired, she continued working late at night. Whereas shows contrast between two facts or situations. Meaning, used to compare two opposite things. Example: she loves spicy food, whereas her brother prefers mild dishes. Unless shows a condition, means if not. Meaning, except if, under the condition that something does not happen. Example: you won't pass the exam unless you study hard. Until shows a time limit, up to a certain point. Meaning, up to the time that something happens. Example: she waited at the station until the train arrived. While shows two actions happening at the same time or a contrast. Meaning, at the same time as, simultaneously. Whereas, to contrast two ideas. Examples: I listen to music while cooking dinner. Same time. I love coffee, while she prefers tea. Contrast. Since shows time or reason. Meaning, from a specific time until now. Because, reason. Examples: she has lived here since 2010. Time. Since it was raining, we stayed indoors. Reason. Even if highlights a hypothetical or extreme situation. Meaning, no matter whether, regardless of the condition. Example: even if you apologize, he won't forgive you. As though, used for comparisons, often unreal or exaggerated situations. Meaning, similar to, as if, describes something in a way that may not be real. Example: she spoke as though she knew everything about the topic. As if highlights an unreal or exaggerated situation. Meaning, used to describe an action or feeling that appears to be true but may not be real, also used to express sarcasm or disbelief. Example: she looks as if she has seen a ghost. She looks very scared, but she hasn't actually seen a ghost. He spends money as if he were a millionaire. He is not a millionaire, but he acts like one. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with this quiz. Dash: it was cold outside, she didn't wear a jacket. A. Since. B. Although. C. Until. D. While. She kept reading dash, she finished the entire book. A. Unless. B. Until. C. Whereas. D. Since. He acted dash, he knew everything, but he didn't. A. Whereas. B. Unless. C. As if. D. Since. You won't succeed dash, you work hard. A. While. B. Unless. C. Even though. D. Although. Dash, she was afraid, she faced the challenge bravely. A. Whereas. B. Even though. C. As if. D. Since. He prefers coffee. Dash, she enjoys tea. A. Unless. B. Whereas. C. Until. D. As though. Dash, I was waiting for the bus, I listened to music. A. Until. B. While. C. As if. D. Unless. Dash, you beg for forgiveness, I will not change my decision. A. Even if. B. Since. C. Whereas. D. While. She looked. Dash, she had seen a ghost. A. Whereas. B. Unless. C. Since. D. As if. He stayed indoors. Dash, it was raining heavily. A. As though. B. Since. C. Unless. D. Even if. Drop your answer in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in day 28.